Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
Yes, guys. So let's assume there are total 200 members. So let's assume the number of women is W. So men would be remaining 200 minus W. Now, can you tell me how many homeowners do we have? Number of homeowners is how many? 20% of men and 25% of women, correct? So 20% of men, right? So 20% of 200 minus W plus 25% of W, right? Because W is the total number of women and 25% of them are homeowners. Correct? So which means number of homeowners is how many? Basically 20% is 0.2 into 200 minus W plus 0.25 W, right? 0.25 W. So this would be 40. Am I correct? Minus 0.2 W plus 0.25 W, right? Which would be 40 plus 0.05 W. Agreed? By the way, which would be how much? 40 plus 5 by 100 W, right? Which is nothing but 40 plus W by 20. So this is the total number of homeowners, right? What do we have to find out? Least number. So which means, do you agree that we have to minimize this? We have to minimize this value, right? Least number. When, now this is my big question for you. When will this be minimum? Obviously, we cannot do anything about 40, correct? So this will be minimum, obviously, when W is minimum, right? Can you tell me what can be the minimum value of W? Can the value of W be 1? Can the value of W be 1? It cannot be. Very nice. Why not? Because if the value of W is 1, then number of homeowners will be in decimal, which is not possible, right? You can't have 5.6 homeowners, for example, or 40 points, whatever. So that's my question. According to this expression, as per this expression, what's the minimum value of W?
So we
Very
have to
nice.
keep it integer, so 20 only.
20, absolutely. The minimum value of W has to be 20. See, if it is anything lesser than 20, then this will be a decimal, right? So the minimum value of W has to be 20. And when W is 20, what's the total number of homeowners? Very nice. 40 plus 20 by 20, which is 41. So that's the answer. What's the least number of members who are homeowners? The answer is 41. This is not really a set theory question. Try it out. Try it out after the class. Yeah. Yeah, so this is exactly what I have done. So yeah, so 41 would be the least number of members who are homeowners.